Hi there. So yeah, let's start Notion. I want to go through these PowerPoint presentation wherein I have indicated how to learn Notion. It's a very easy app. It's what people call as Lego. They are just building blocks. So what is Notion? What you can do on it? You can create systems for knowledge management, note taking, data management, project management. You can assign tasks, check the progress of your tasks. You can assign teams. So that's something about Notion when it was found. Who can use it? Practically everyone in the world can use it. So it's very user friendly and it's available to everyone. The other thing is the cheap price. As you can see, for per month, it is quite inexpensive. I have provided a link over here where you can it takes you to the website and gives you in detail, and it also gives you much more detailed comparison of the different clients. Yeah, the other thing is you can integrate these four apps with Notion. So that's a cool feature that they have. This is the important slide. Now, this is a YouTube 8-minute video, which is also available on Notion website. If you just go through this 8-minute video, that's more than enough for you to know how to operate Notion. So I would strongly suggest you to read through this and also ask all of your trainees to go through this. So that's something that I have included. Now, the next one is a basic. The next one is an advanced level knowledge. This is a 13-minute video which is available on YouTube and also on the Notion website. This is an advanced level knowledge. You don't have to go through this, but you can if you want to. Now, I would also suggest you to subscribe to the Notion YouTube channel, wherein they give regular updates to the new features that they have. The next thing is the important section, which is the guides and tutorials, which I will show you in a minute. This is actually a screenshot of the website. That's where you can find the guides and tutorials. They're very detailed, very knowledgeable, and I'll come to that in a minute. And the last section that I want to show you is the help and support, which is located over here. It's a huge library. So if you have any question, you can go through that. I'll show you that in a minute as well. So let's check their website. Now, in terms of guides and tutorials, what I wanted to show you is if you are from the engineering department, if you are into project management, if you are just a note taker, if you are a designer, if you are dealing with products, that means if you are in the sales and marketing department, if you are in the HR, it has a guide how to do it, if you're from this department, how do you approach and create a page or a task on Notion. So I would really suggest you to go through this as per your needs. The other thing I wanted to show you is the help and support section, which has the answers to practically everything. Look at the huge list of libraries that they have. There you go. Now let's come to the app. This is how the app looks. Now I have set that in the dark mode. That's the light mode. You can change it in the settings. I have two companies or organizations or workspaces, what they call it, integrated. One is Wishap. Let's go through Wishap first. As you can see, these are the 4 members that are currently on it, and you can upgrade to the plans. We are currently on the team plan, and this one cool feature which you will know when you go through the YouTube tutorial is you can earn credits, and that way if you earn enough credits you don't have to renew it using money every month. Now that's where you see the connected apps or the integration. Let me show you. This is my client OmniGoods, and my client's name is Brian. I'll show you how he assigns tasks for everyone in fact. So as you can see, you can arrange it by status or filter it by type, category, team, status, priority. So that's how he arranges. In queue, that means he has assigned these jobs. Scrape, Canton, face site, work from anywhere, sound booth, design. So these are the tasks that he had assigned, which are in queue. Nobody has attempted it. In progress means these are the tasks that everyone has started, and these are the ones that he reviews, and the completed ones are here. Like for example, I completed this one, so he has marked it as complete. On hold and archived are the other categories. Now let me show you how to create a page. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you, which is again in the tutorial. It is a simple thing of just clicking plus and then adding whatever you want to. Like for example, let me type in Shai Nobu. Okay, now I can convert that into a heading, into a page. So if I click that, it'll open a new page. Now you can go back using these arrows over here, and then you can also change that. You can also turn it into a bullet list. You can turn it into whatever is here. So that's a cool feature. Again, you can drag and drop it as well. Drag the block. Sorry, there you go. Drag and drop. Then you can also change the colors of the fonts. So it's quite cool. You would probably know a lot more if you watched that 8-minute video. It's a very easy website. So this is something that I've done. Like for example, this is a Dropbox folder table of contents that I've created. So as you can see, I have used toggle arrows to indicate what's in OmniGood's Notion page. So if a new person has to go and check where the details are, all he needs to do is check here. And I've also created a page. Like for example, this is a index and paging system where it takes me directly to the page. Like if I click that, it takes me to the Dusteroo cleaning products page. If I click that, it takes me to the archive page. You can just go back. The other cool thing that I wanted to show you is where is it? You can also put a cover, like a Facebook cover. So this is something that I've done. Yeah, so that's about it. It's a very easy app, and I would strongly suggest everyone to use it. Well, thank you very much. Bye.